What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can block time on Square Appointment. So first you need to head over to the Square Appointments website, and then you need to log in with your account credential, and after that you just simply need to go to more tools. But if you can't find the more tools option here, you can just simply search for appointments, and after you type appointments, here it will load the Square Appointments section. As you can see, this is the Square Appointments. Click on this once, and then this will open the Square Appointment. From here you can just simply visit all your data, all the frequency, and you can just simply specify your availability. Here you will see the option of calendar. I haven't added any data, that's why it's not showing me the option, but when you will add some data it will show you the option of calendar. You can just simply go there and then choose your availability, and to edit your timings you will see the time icon. When you will go to the calendar section on the right side, you will see the clock like icon, which is the time icon. You can just simply click on that, and then you can just customize your availability. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.